What's going, family? Just pulling outside of the Container Bar and talk to the people that should be delivering the Skytrack for me today or tomorrow, so that way we can cut this thing in half. So we're about to get ready to get to the next major process, which is to put these two caps on. So I got the cap this end, which is going to be a storage facility this side, and this side over here is going to be my cafe bar. So I already got the floor cut. I've just got to wait before I got the lift to be able to cut the top and the side. So pretty much ready to go. We just had to wait to get the lift and get everything else situated. So that's what we're doing today. I'm actually here lining out a couple things. You see we got the man door in the back. I'm out here actually lining out a couple things, so getting everything prepared. But hopefully we will be coming soon. And I've been working on the staircase too, so I got to fall back today and probably come out here tomorrow probably to do some painting. HogOn.